Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Matthew, and today I'm very excited because we have a tech unboxing of my Canon M50 Mark II. So I've actually been shopping for a new YouTube camera for quite a while. So if you're like me and you've done much research on cameras for YouTube, you'll find that the two kind of top recommended cameras are the Sony ZV-1 and the Canon M50. Now, from my research and what I can gather, the Canon is more of a compact camera, where the M50 is more of a full size. You can swap out the lenses on this, whereas you can't on the Sony ZV-1. From all the reviews I've seen, it looks like the major differences in functionality is the ZV-1 does 4K video better. It's kind of sounded like they both did 1080p video kind of equally as well. But then when it came to photography, that's where the M50 really won out over the ZV-1. So in the end, that ended up being the main reason why I chose to buy the M50 over the ZV-1. I do have one kid and another one on the way later this year, so I do plan on doing a lot of photography with this camera. So that's why I ended up choosing the M50 in the end. Now, this is something I'm very excited to get out and start using. So far for my channel, all of my videos have been recorded on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So the iPhone takes great videos, and so far using the iPhone as a main camera has worked out really well. It takes great videos. It's very easy to work with. So far I've had a lot of luck with the iPhone and making all the content for this channel. It's very easy to record with and then airdrop all the files onto my Mac so I can edit them there. So that workflow has worked out for me really well. But I'm very excited now I've received this, and I'm excited to get it out and start using it for some of the channel videos and photography and things like that, and just kind of see what it can do. So that's enough for an introduction. Let's unbox this thing.
waking up feeling like it's gonna rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't ever lie.
Alright guys, we got this all out and it's all unboxed, and I love this thing. So I went with the white color just to get something a little bit different. I wasn't aware it had so much gray on it, but I really like the look of it. So obviously having this little flip out screen that you can flip around makes it really handy for shooting yourself for YouTube, so you can kind of see the shot you've got lined up while you're recording, which is very nice. Just kind of playing around with it here kind of initially. Taking a couple pictures, and I gotta say the autofocus is very cool. Works very well in the pictures, at least on this little viewfinder. Look like they're gonna come out really nice. So just as a little disclaimer, I'm the furthest thing from a professional photographer you're gonna find. I'm really more just getting started, so any footage or photos I take with this that turn out looking good is definitely attributed to the camera and not the photographer. One of the other cool things I've noticed right off the bat is there is separate buttons for photos and videos. This big one here, if you push that will take a photo, and this little red button will start recording video. So it's nice to have that little separation where you know exactly what you're doing depending on which button you're pushing. You can feel it in your hand. It's definitely got a bit of weight to it, but not too terribly heavy where you can't hold it up and record yourself, but you can feel it's definitely not a compact camera or a smartphone, so there's a little bit more weight there for sure. So that's my first impressions of this camera so far. I'm super excited to jump in and start using it. I'm going to take a few test photos with this and my iPhone and put them up on the screen to compare for you guys, just so you can kind of see the difference.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams.
Alright guys, well that's going to wrap this video up for today. Appreciate you guys stopping by and watching. I'm super excited about the new camera for the channel. The next video will definitely be shot with this one, so be on the lookout for that. So if you've enjoyed this video, be sure and give it a like below, and I will catch you guys in the next one.
I'm outside.